Hello, my name is Brad Schneider, and I'm the Director of Engineering and Product Development at the Murdoch Method. In this video, we're going to talk about the hay soaker, the easy way to soak hay, specifically how to fill and drain your hay soaker in 3 different modes. So you're going to get this configuration here, which is the Melnor Bluetooth 2-zone timer. And in the first mode, all you have to do is press the on button and the soaker will begin to fill. When it's full, you press it again and it goes off. The same thing on the drain cycle. All you have to do is press this one. Now the other hose is operating and it'll drain. So that's your pure manual fill and drain cycle. Now, if you want to start to use a pre-programmed cycle, then this is when we use our smartphone and the Melnor Bluetooth app. So you'll download this from your app store for your particular phone, be it the iPhone or an Android phone. And as it opens, it will look for the particular soaker that you have. The app is powerful because if you had multiple soakers, for example, you could actually have multiple timers. So the first thing we do is we tap on the app, it looks for it, and then it brings up the 2 valves that we have. And it allows us to change the name of our valve. And in this case, we'll type in fill, and we press OK, and it shows up as fill. And the same thing on the drain cycle. So now to use the app, all we have to do is tap it in manual, and in this case, it turns on the fill, and if we tap where it says 3 minutes, comes up a little dialog box where we can set whole minute increments. Now, unfortunately, we can't do 2.5 minutes, so when you filled your soaker manually and you timed it to be 2.5 minutes, you'd have to make a decision to go with 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So in this case, it's 3 minutes. So now, as this has been set for 3 minutes, it has told the timer it is 3 minutes. Okay? And the same thing will happen on the drain side. In this case, I had already done this before and it's set for 3 minutes. So now what happens is, going back here, you see as I tap this and turn it on and off, it's going to run for 3 minutes. The other thing is, being that it's now programmed in, if you're not available with your cell phone, say you have barn help, all they have to do is come over and press the fill button, and it will automatically run for 3 minutes and then turn off. So this is convenient for you that anybody can now operate the soaker when the phone is not available or when you're not around. The other mode is to be fully automatic. And in that case, you'll go to, back here, we'll go pick our valve. We go to the program mode. And now in program, we can set up, in this case, it says frequency. And we say, that's what we want. So when we get to the program mode, we have it programming by frequency. That's what we want. Now it comes up and it asks what our start time is. So by using the clock feature, what you can do is load your soaker at night, program it to come on at approximately 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever you choose, and the duration will be what you had set up before. So for the fill cycle, it'll be 3 minutes. And then the same will apply with the drain cycle. So what you do is you'll set up the soaker to turn on at 8 o'clock, it'll run for 3 minutes, and then stop. And then you go to the drain cycle and you tell it to turn on at 8:30, it will run for 3 minutes and drain, and then your hay has now been soaked, drained, and ready to feed. So you have all of that built into the hay soaker. Makes operating the unit simple and easy. We'll just go back to the manual. Again, we turn it on and start filling.